How to create a WhatsApp business account. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up a WhatsApp business account on iOS and Android. So let's get started. I'm using iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same. So for example, if you wish to run a business and you want to have a separate business account for that, so you wouldn't be able to do that on the traditional WhatsApp. So what you're going to do is head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and download WhatsApp Business. So just search for WhatsApp Business, and in WhatsApp Business you can create your shop and upload catalogs and other stuff regarding your business. So you can also set down your open hours and closing hours, your map and everything. So once you've downloaded that, you can simply click on open. And once you do click on open, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on agree and continue. And over here, you'll be able to see that this is my phone number that is displayed over here. So what you're going to do is you can either use the same phone number or you can use a different number. So over here, you're going to type down your phone number and they will send a verification code to your phone and you're going to verify that. And after that, that's it. You have successfully created a WhatsApp business account. So using it is similar, just like you use a traditional WhatsApp. You can create a profile for your business, and here you can also automate your replies. For example, if someone has texted you, you can automate your replies, that what reply should they get. So that is basically how you can create a WhatsApp business account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.